Okay, this is awesome. You all know, everyone who's been watching our channel for the last year of traveling, you'll know that we're super creative people. Tilly has been doing artwork all around the world, and we've also been doing our own little bits as well as creating things. But the guy that we met, Rob, who owns Go Surfing in Da Nang, is also not just a surfing legend, but also a sick street artist. So he's invited us here in Da Nang to a place called Not Pop. And this is all about street art, and he's getting us involved with this. So today we're going to learn how to spray paint on walls. Who's excited?
I'm so excited. I really want to learn how to do the lettering and like this on the wall. Tilly's got an idea in mind, characters. You've got an idea in mind, logo. Like hopefully we can make a piece of artwork come together. But we love art and we love doing this, and for world schooling as well, street art, that's mint.
Yeah, this is Tilly's art class today.
Bliss.
It's world schooling around the world doing epic things. So we'll get involved with this, see what it's all about. We've never done this before. It's something new to learn, and we can't wait to see what it's all about.
Behind us to work on, so he wants us to go over the top of this. I've never done this before. Joe's really good at the wording, so I've decided I'm going to do the wording, like the lettering, and try and make it really bulky. I'm not sure how this is going to go. Tilly's now looking at a design on her phone while they're setting up all the paints and things. I don't know whether I'm going to get covered. But it's okay. I'm so excited to get started.
Take the mask each, there you go.
Welcome back to the channel, Rob, by the way. Yeah. Everyone will have already seen you teaching us how to surf properly in the last video. So thanks for inviting us back to have more fun days out. This time, street art. Beautiful.
Awesome.
Such a good thing to do with teens and kids as well. So if you come into Da Nang, this is such a good thing to get immersed into. I'm excited for this one.
Over to you, Rob. Teach us.
Here we go. Here's the spray paint. Should probably wear my mask. Have to shake it first. This one is your skinny cap. That's like a skinny line, right? Oh. So sometimes we have to clean the ends just for that reason. So there you go. That's come out cleaner the second time. So I've gone really close and I've just done a nice smooth line. Do you want to try and do that?
It's a lot closer than I thought it would be.
Really close, like almost like scraping the wall.
Like that?
Yep.
Oh. That's terrible.
Your first ever go.
It's good. It's good. So keep it moving so you don't get this drip or this spot at the end. So that's it. It's quite...
Yeah, there's a technique to this.
I think you're too close.
Sometimes that's kind of what we have to do. So this is me further away from the wall now. Bigger, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And even more, it's going to get more faded, look, so... Right, so different distance will create a different line. And then also...
Oh, Tilly, yes.
I like the flare.
Yeah, I do.
To that, it's cool. So you've moved it away from the walls. That's why it's gone like bigger.
Do you want to have a go, Joe? It's got a real technique to
Let me
it.
get my mask on. Yeah.
I've already learned something already. The closer it is, he's already broke his mask. Tilly, you got it. You should get this, Joe.
Right, just to try it down line if you want.
Oh, he's done it straight off. Here we go.
Here we go. Oh, there you go.
You can say you've been doing that in Kirby Moorside.
So as we change to like a fat cap, we get a much different line, look. So it's kind of the same. Look, if I move that away, it's even bigger.
Whoa.
Different cap. Same can. Bit of a small place to be working
You're good at this.
Go for it. What you can do is you can go, well, my E is like this. A normal E is like this. And if I want to do a block version of it, I just kind of just make it into blocks, right? So just draw around the original.
Oh, you got a back cap.
That's fine.
No, you could use that though now. Like do another one in the middle, and then you can go around the edge.
That's good.
Oh no, it's dribbling.
We like drips. Embrace the drips.
What do I do now? Oh.
Well, you do a big T. You can do a big T. That's very street looking, Emma. Very cool. Fatten up that middle.
Yeah.
There you go. And now look, now you can get a different colour and you outline it.
Oh.
you've kind of done yours back to front. You've done it fill, and then we're going to do the outline afterwards. But you want to get that now and just draw around it.
Yeah, you've already done like a little,
You've done
little,
the fill,
little,
there you go. You've done the little wing and stuff.
Sorry, it's already happening. It's happening.
And do you want to go?
Definitely. Yeah, you have a go.
I like Joe's ass.
Right, Joe, how are you getting on?
It's a satisfying thing to do.
Go on, have a go. I wasn't watching you. Sorry, I was looking at this because I want to keep this as well for us. For next time we're going around somewhere, I want it to spray paint.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Really?
There you go.
Hey.
You see what a big difference the black makes as an outline, like once you sit it on the colours. So
It feels naughty. I feel like a kid at school that's going to get told off, and it feels so good. Rebel!
No, it does. It feels like you shouldn't be doing this, but here you got like absolute permission to just create and free reign to go for it. So first job now, we're gonna paint this wall here. We're gonna make it a blank canvas so that we can set to our work. I think Emma is gonna go over here because she really loves the lettering, and me and Tilly are gonna do this wall here
Have my design up.
with Tilly's design that she actually created herself. So you've got that to look forward to.
Naughty.
Let's just drop in some time lapses. Right, Tilly's first job here is to mock up chalk lines on the wall so that she can get her design onto a rough scale. Just to start with, and then we can go into actual paint once she's happy with it. Time lapse again.
it's fine. Go a bit closer. Remember to get it skinnier, or we just use a skinny cap. It's good though.
It's the first one on, Tills. Well done.
Bit closer as you get to the top. That's nice. It's really good. All in one go. That.
Is it satisfying, Tills? Yeah.
Nice. So yeah, you
Look like it's getting-
It's too big. Yeah.
She's done it.
Right. Maybe just a little bit.
That's so cool.
Now just
Fish.
What's up with it?
Oh, look, it looks hairy. I ruined it. No, it's okay. I will cover.
The good thing about graffiti like this and street art is there's no wrong way of doing it. You can just correct anything, even that. So we'll see what that looks like afterwards. But this design is going to be so awesome.
On this.
You just stick it on. I don't know, they mean different things. I think the white one's the thin one, maybe.
Right, we're halfway through. It's taken us a while to think of a design, but I think this is pretty good going. I did well. Joe's doing the lettering. Tilly's on with doing her own design behind me, which is really cool. It's been a really good experience. I've loved it. You can just go wild on the wall. What a fun thing to do as a family here in Denai. I couldn't recommend it highly enough. We've nearly finished our masterpiece of Smith's on Tour. Gravel Farm. Here he is. I think some different colours maybe in the yellow, like, you know, like a bit of orange or... Whoa, we've taken up the whole space here.
Okay, we're finished up. Tilly's signing her piece here. It's nerve-wracking, isn't it? Because you're like, I really don't want to make a mistake.
But I'm scared. Right, we'll show you at the end what it looks like, the masterpiece of all masterpieces. Here we go. Bye, Tilly.
Yes.
Oops, I squished it. Whoa.
Yes.
Well, it's harder up a ladder as well, guys.
Yeah.
Right, Tills has loved it, haven't you? Are you going to show him what you've done? Whoa. That's Bean. That's her teddy.
Tilly got Bean in Mexico like a year ago.
It's been over a year.
Over a year now. She's carried Bean all the way around the world, so he's got his own dedicated art piece now.
In Da Nang.
Beautiful, Tilly. Tilly was the best at surfing last week, and she's been the best at painting this week. She's absolutely schooling us on how to do everything in life.
You are the best at artwork, though, aren't you? To be fair, like she is the best at artwork.
Yeah, for those that have followed us, like you can go back in our videos, you can see Tilly doing loads of artwork, drawings, creativity things. It's all Tilly's bag, and she's proved it here. We did this.
Yay!
Travel fan, because that's what we are. I've even tagged it. Look, Smith's on tour.
Joe did the word in. I just ended up doing the world, but I loved it because you can blend all the colours. We've had such a fun time. It's really therapeutic doing something like this.
It's so satisfying.
Yeah.
You don't realise because you start painting words like this or an image like this, and it's all blurry and doesn't look like it's going to be anything. And then you add black and more colours, and it all just comes to life. Highly recommend doing this.
Yeah.
There's a link in the description if you want any more information to come and do this with Rob. Like I said earlier, not only is he sick at surfing and teaching that, he's also sick at artwork and teaching that. So I can't recommend it highly enough. If you're coming to Vietnam, never mind Da Nang. If you're in Vietnam, come to Da Nang and come and have a go at this. Absolutely awesome.
Amazing. Thanks,
Yeah,
Rob.
big thanks to Rob, the man.
The man.
The legend.